I went from second to last. That's awesome.
I went from first to something.
Here you go, baby.
Oh no! I got it! Braden, what I hit right there? Something on that third one stopped me.
I'm gonna get the rocket. I'm gonna get the rocket. Hey, I got the dribble finally.
That was awesome though, wasn't it, Braden? A lot of spinning.
Much better on this time, babe. Cleaner, at least.
Now my insides are outside. What's wrong with you people? Hey man, that just Velcro's back on if you'll stick it on for me.
Come on, land it.
Never mind, I'm broke. Don't bother. Yeah.
Come on, babe.
I just close the ground there. I'm coming.
Easy.
I am doing terrible.
Just leave it there. If you want to.
That was awesome.
I can't figure out how y'all see who's in first place.
I don't know who's in first place. I don't even know what place I'm in.
You're in first.
Yeah.
You just ride like you're in first.
Oh no.
This is going to be great sound effects for this video. There you go, babe.
I'm in last, I do believe.
Nah, man, you're in first. You're in first. I got faith in you.
different yard.
Sorry about that.
Oh, he died. Oh, there he goes again.
Come on, man.
How long is this one?
10 minutes.
Oh, you got like 3 minutes to go. You're at 7:29 right now. Oh crap, I'm filming the wrong. There it is. Okay.
I don't know. I know the yellow one's in front of me.
I'm pretty sure I've crashed enough to be not in the lead.
Oh, wow.
I hit the brakes instead of the gas, didn't it?
Hey, Bray, you come up, will you grab that?
And you're at 8:34. You're so far ahead, you can do some tricks. Babe. One minute to go. Come on, babe.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.